welcome to Dr.Yousif lecture. And today's lecture about the SAR of benzodiazepine. So, what is the SAR? SAR basically we call the structure activity relationship. So, before starting the SAR of benzodiazepine, it's my request to you kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification for the new videos. So, let's start. So, SAR of the benzodiazepine. So, basically, SAR of the benzodiazepine, SAR in the structured activity relationship of the benzodiazepine. So means when we going to be changes over the any kind of the site. So what sort of changes occur inside the benzodiazepine when we going to substitute any kind of the group on the benzodiazepine. So before I start, I just want to be give a numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these number rings are going to be fused. So 6 consider over here, 7, 8, 9. So before starting, it's very important thing is that these are the two members. Means for example R and the carbonyl group. R and this carbonyl group is very important for the extraction activity relationship. I mean the first point is that the R and carbonyl group is very important. Is a very important for activity of the benzodiazepine. And second point is that is the X. X basically the any kind of the electron attracting group like substitution. Substitution means something is going to be replaced. So some substitution like any kind of group, OH group, CH3 group. So any substitution like OH and CH3 over the seventh position is a very important for the SAR of the benzodiazepine. And the third point is that 6 and 8 and 9 position become empty, means there is no any kind of substitution we can over there in the 6 and 9 position we cannot substitute reaction on this position. Okay. And the fourth point is that these are the basically bond between the 5 and 4 position, and if this bond is going to break and just move from the 5 to 4th and 3rd position, means between the 5th and 4th position this bond is going to break, and this breakage of bond is going to be entered inside between the 4th and 3rd position. So when the breakage of the bond and this bond breakage and this bond is going to be transferred from the 5th and 4th to 4th and 3rd position, and through this way the fourth point is that when the breakage of bond is there, so decrease benzodiazepine activity. And the fifth point is that is the third when any kind of alkyl group attack on the 3rd position, it decrease the benzodiazepine activity. Now third point is very important. The third side is very important for the benzodiazepine activity. So when the sixth point we call when the OH group attack on the 3rd position. When the OH group attack on the 3rd position, the OH group is become a polar. The polar group is a polar group. So when the polar group is attack on the benzodiazepine, so your benzodiazepine become a polar. If the benzodiazepine become polar, it means the excretion is increased through kidney. If excretion is increased through kidney, it means the drug is not present inside the body and going to be excreted out, and the half-life become a decrease. If the half-life become decrease, now there is no more concentration of the benzodiazepine inside the body. So, and the seventh point is that if any non-polar group attack on the 3rd position, similar. If any non-polar group attack on the 3rd position of the benzodiazepine, it become a increase half-life. Increase half-life because non-polar group there is a no excretion increases because now the concentration of drug inside the blood means the non-polar group will attack on the third position of the benzodiazepine. The half-life of the benzodiazepine become a increase because you are the drug become a non-polar. Your drug become a less polar. So drug is not excreted through the kidney. If the drug is not excreted through the kidney, it means the drug is present inside the body. So these are the SAR of the benzodiazepine. And if you have any query regarding this, so you can ask into the comment box. Thank you. Love this.